Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Sitafal cream. Take mixing bowl. Place strainer on it. Take 2 to 3 custard apples. Scoop out the custard apple flesh with the help of a spoon. Remove the flesh on the strainer. Mash it well with the help of the fork. There's no need to get hands dirty. Seeds will easily be removed. Gently separate all the seeds from flesh. Make sure there is no single seed remained. All seeds are easily removed. In a bowl, you will get custard apple pulp. Mix custard apple flesh with pulp. Similarly, do the same for other custard apple. Remove all the seeds carefully. Check once there are no seeds left. You will get seedless flesh and pulp. Add flesh into the pulp bowl. Keep some aside for garnishing. Give it a good mix. Keep the pulp aside. Remove the seeds by strainer method or use this hand chopper. Pull string slowly so seeds will separate. In another bowl, take 300 ml double or fresh cream. Whisk well. Add 1/3 cup powdered sugar or condensed milk. You can also blend some almond and cashew with this. Be careful. It can create a mess and sugar dust fly everywhere around the room. Whisk again until the sugar is well incorporated. Whisk the cream until it becomes slightly thick. Add 2 to 3 scoops of vanilla or Sitafal ice cream. Instead of this, you can add a few drops of vanilla essence. Whisk until well combined. Cream consistency should be like this. Now bring back our Sitafal bowl. Pour cream mixture into the custard apple pulp bowl. Gently fold the cream mixture into the Sitafal pulp. If you want, you can add some chopped cashew and almonds in it. Ensure it's evenly mixed without mashing the pulp too much. Mix everything well. Refrigerate the Sitafal cream for about 1 to 2 hours to allow the flavors to blend and the cream to set slightly. Transfer chilled cream into the serving glasses. Garnish with Sitafal flesh or Sitafal ice cream. Sprinkle some pistachio, optional. Do try this rich, creamy, sweet, indulgent, refreshing custard apple cream. Perfect for those who love the unique flavor of custard apple. Serve chilled. Perfect dessert for after-meal treat. Dig in and enjoy it. Do try out this very popular, super delicious yet simple Sitafal cream recipe in this Sitafal season and share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.